Secrets of Ceylon, a collection of unique and boutique experiences. We're each individually owned, we're each different, but what brings us together is the B philosophy. We buy locally, we employ locally, and we enrich the community within which we exist. We have 13 properties at the moment, and they're all under 12 rooms, and they are all mid-priced, so a 4-star level. Floating Mountain Villa, Ramboda. This is a truly unique property. It's between Kandy and Nuwara Eliya, so 1.5 hours from Kandy, 1 hour to Nuwara Eliya. Most of our guests use it as a Kandy accommodation option. So at the end of visiting Kandy, they drive up 1.5 hours and arrive to us by 5, 6 in the evening. And what's unique about this property is a couple of things. Number one, it overlooks the Kotmale Reservoir, so it's an amazing views. Number two is that it's on the Peko Trail, so it's on the 3rd stage. Now, when I say it's on the 3rd stage, the 3rd stage passes 30 meters from our front door. So most of our guests arrive by foot, having started the 3rd stage, and end it at our property. Their car comes ahead and drops their bags and is there when they turn up. And many of them, then when they leave 2 days later, they also leave during the 4th stage of the Peko Trail. So it really is exciting. We're just on the footsteps of the Ramboda waterfall. And to really see the Ramboda waterfall properly, you need to go down to the Ramboda Hotel and take a glass lift down 3 stories to go to this picture on the right to be able to see it. Many of our guests will opt to do our picnic that we can arrange upstream from the waterfall. Also next door to us is the Hanuman Kovil, and this is a very important temple for the Hindu community. And so what we do here is, if you want, our butler Akila, who's pictured, will bring a fruit platter and make an offering so that you can get some blessings from the priest. Floating Mountain Villa is called this because every morning you wake up to this view. This is not a drone picture. This is the picture from your balcony. And Gauri Ganesan, who is the owner of this property, lived in the UK most of her life. She's a lawyer, and she came back home to retire. And she built this beautiful experience. 3 sides of glass, amazing views. We have 7 dining locations for 5 rooms. And this is the view at breakfast overlooking the Kotmale Reservoir. Isn't it spectacular? The gardens, as you would expect from a property in the hills, beautiful, lush and green. An amazing swimming pool with breathtaking views. The food here is unparalleled. And if you book through a travel agent or a tour operator, you get a free high tea. So if you book on half board, you get free high tea included, a Sri Lankan high tea. And you also have the option of 1 of 4 activities free, or free extras. One is a floating breakfast. The second one is a cooking demonstration. The third one is a sunset cocktail. And the 4th is a hillside walk. So you can choose a hillside picnic. You can choose from one of these experiences. We have 5 rooms. They're each slightly different, but one amazing view. This is a video that was taken by one of our guests recently when she woke up and she was having her morning coffee or tea and enjoying this beautiful view before the mist clears every morning. And our butler, Akila, is waiting to serve you. He'll look after every little detail that you need.